Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about leave-in. So many people they don't know how to use it and what is that for. So today I'm here to help you guys. The leave-in it's something really important that you really must use it. So the leave-in it will help against the sunlight. The same way as you put the sunblock in your skin, you must put in your hair. That's gonna make the same effect to protect your hair against the sunlight. It also will protect against the heat. Once you do your blow dry, beach waves, straightening, it will help that doesn't burn and doesn't damage your hair. And it will help you to brush your hair. It will make easier for detangling. So today I already washed my hair, I've done a hair treatment, and now I'm going to show you guys how do you apply the leave-in in your hair. So I'm going to use this BB Cream Argan. It is from Donati and it is exclusive here in Kuwait at View 14. Okay, so this leave-in has 10 benefits and one of them are anti-frizz, anti-age, and also it helps to make your hair shiny, so which everybody wants. Okay, so how do you use it? I'm gonna put a little amount here in my hand. Okay guys, don't need to put lots, this much it's enough. So you're gonna mix it with your hands and you're gonna start from the ends. Okay, you apply your hair, then the rest that's left you apply on the top. Don't start from the roots, because if you put all the amount in your roots it will be oily. So we start from the bottom. Once you apply the bottom, you go to the top. Okay, and then now finish. Do you need to blow dry? Not necessarily. If you don't want to blow dry, you can just leave it on just to dry naturally. If you want to blow dry, you can go ahead and blow dry your hair. So it will protect your hair from the heat and it will also make your hair shiny. So if you want to buy the BB cream, you can just swipe up and you can order it online. I hope you guys liked here my tips for today. Let me know what you want to see next, and I hope you guys are all safe and stay at home with health and beautiful hair. Bye.